Hi guys, this is Server. In today's video, we will see how to design a banner using Canva. For those who do not know what is Canva, Canva is a graphic design tool. It is a free software and it can be downloaded from canva.com. For using Canva, you don't need a technical knowledge. It is a very simple and easy to use tool. Let's go guys. Okay, let's go to canva.com. If you have already got an account, you can log in. Otherwise, you have to sign up and create an account and then log in. I have already got an account, so I have already logged in. So if you go to create a design, there are various options Canva provides. You can create a presentation, you can create a YouTube intro, outro, you can create logos, Instagram post, flyer, resume, poster, certificate, brochure. There are multiple options available here. You can navigate and see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a banner. So I'm searching for banner. So there are again multiple options given. So whatever the size you want to create, accordingly you can create. I am choosing a landscape one which is 72 by 36 inches. I am clicking here. It has come. So Canva provides you options, ready-made templates on the left hand side. If you click on template, it will show a lot of templates. On the right hand side, a blank template is available. Now what I'm going to do is I will create one banner for a burger shop. So I'm going to search for burger. Let's see what we are getting. So a few options are shown on the left. Today's special menu, then National Hamburger Day, then National Burger Day. There are plenty. Super delicious burger, buy one get two free. There are a couple of interesting things. Right, delicious burger with a drink. So then you have extra big burger. There are various different types of banners. Whichever we want to have, we can choose. Right, you can navigate and see. Right, so let's go about. All right, so we can choose this one. Right, this looks nice. So if you click on the elements, each element is editable here. Each text and color can be changed by clicking here. You can change the color. You will get a lot of color combinations. You can change the picture also if you want to. Right, for example, I will going to remove this and I will add my picture. So if you want to add any picture, Canva provides you an option to upload. If you click on upload and upload media, it takes you to your local folder. You can go and choose the picture you have stored in your local. So I'm just going out. Okay, right. So I will pick one picture here. So I am uploading that. It has come here. I am with orange cap. Looks like a person who is working in a burger shop. So I will bring it here. Right, so and we can reduce the size as we like it. Yeah, I'm keeping it in the corner. Right, now I'm going to add a few text. Before that, I will move some of them little down. So the background white color and the special written are now separately put. So when you move, it will be separately moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group them. Then when I move, both of them will come. You can see that. And when you reduce the size also, it will be reducing together. Right, I'm just reducing it. And the menu size also, I'm just reducing a bit. And I'm moving here. Right, I'm moving it a bit here. Right, now I'm going to add a similar stuff. right? So I am just copying the white background and I'm moving here. I will increase the size little bit and I will add a text. To add a text, I click on text here. You will get various options here, like add a heading, which are simple plain text and with the different colors and different fonts if you want. There are many. So let us search for order now. If it is available, no, it's not available, so that's fine. So I will just close this. I will add a heading here and I will bring it to the top here, right? So I'm going to say server burger office, right? So I will do like this. Then what I will do is I will just move this little this side and I will make it a bigger one, and I will bring this here and reduce the size. Okay, done. So what I will do is I will change the font color. I'm going to change the color by clicking the option here and I'm choosing the dark brown, right, which gels with the rest of the fonts here. Then up to 70% limited offer and also the background. So I'm going to group them and move it together here, right? Fine. Today's special menu we have put, fine, right? And this one, what I will do is I will this one and the outer white background, I have selected both, and then what I will do is I'm going to click on three dots and group them and just reduce the size bit, and I'm going to rotate this just to make it more attractive, and I'm going to the top left, and this one I'm bringing here, and burger I'm bringing it little up and also make a size a bit more, yeah. Right, so yeah, now we will add one more text, that is like what I will do is I will ungroup this. Why I am ungrouping is I'm going to copy the background only, and then Control C, Control V I am doing, and I will just what I will do is I will just take this color white color background to the other side here. Now again these two I can group them again, yeah, I'm going here and group, so that is done. Now this one I will just rotate it a little bit and I will add text to this. Now we'll add a heading, so I'm bringing it here. I can reduce the size by selecting the text and going here. You can reduce the size as you like. So we'll just move it a little up and say buy today. Change the color, put some orange, see how it looks like, fine, right? You can reduce the size a little bit, yeah, and also we can rotate if you want. Reduce the background size also a little bit. I'm going to reduce the size a little further. so that it doesn't overlap with the burger. I think it is decent. It's good enough. This one I will remove. Okay, that's fine. I'll make it a little bigger. I'm just moving the burger picture to the right, and it's fine. If you want to save, go to File and click on Save. If you want to download, click on File and click on Download. You will be given multiple options here. You can store this as a JPG or PNG or PDF standard or PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, GIF. There are multiple options. I am just choosing JPG and clicking on Download. The file is getting downloaded. We will open the file and see once it is downloaded. So we can go to the downloads folder and just refresh. Still getting downloaded. Right, so we will click on this file. This is how it will look like. Server burger offers up to 70% limited offer, today's special menu, buy today, and a picture on the right hand side. Canva gives us another interesting menu option. It's a feature called styles. So what happens is when you click on these styles, so you will get different types of styles on the right hand side. What will happen is if you choose any of them, the style of this particular option will be applied to what we have done in the right hand side. For example, if you click on the Surana, right, see how the right hand side becomes, right? A few fonts styles are applied, the colors are changed. Similarly, you can just click on chunk 5, see how it looks like. The background is changed to yellow and couple of fonts colors are changed. It looks better. If you want to save this, you can go and save and use. Similarly, there are multiple options available. You can go around and click and see now the font is changed, color is changed, right? An interesting option, right? Without you do it manually one by one. It's a set of features that will be applied to what we have done, so accordingly you can use it. This is one option. Similarly, you can start from the scratch, take a blank template and edit and do it as you like it. So if you want to do it, you click on the create design and type banner. So I'm choosing landscape. So here you have got a blank template. So what you can do is you can go to photos and search for burger. So burger photos are there, so you can choose any of them, right? So for example, if you click, the burger comes here. This is the one we used already. You look for something interesting, different, unique. Probably this one you will see. Okay, so burger has come. You can just keep it here. If you want to change the background, just go to the left hand side and click on this background. You will get different options available. Right, so whatever you feel appropriate for a burger shop, you can choose any color as you like it. I'm just going through them one by one. Or yeah, if you click on the yellow, okay, fine, this is nice. Similarly, you can just add a text, right? Click on the text. So there are various options available. So you can go here and change the color. So different colors are there. So what I did is I just chose the text particular font and I am changing the color. So this how it looks like. You can just change and you can say this one, you can just say reduce the size, Control C, Control V and move the one here, right? And you will say, you can say buy one get one free. So you can go to text and add a heading I'm just showing a few example, guys. Whatever you want to do, it's absolutely up to you. There are no hard and fast rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type buy one get one free, right? And I'm going to move this a bit up, and I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C Ctrl V, and I will move it here, and I will just mention offer. This is how it looks like. Very simple. 2 burgers, buy one get one free. Offer valid for today only. Hurry up, sale, sale, sale. Right? So guys, whatever you want, like the pictures from your local, you can upload to Canva and use it. You can change the colors, you can add the text, offers, whatever you want to put, you can put. You can change the font and design it and use it. That's it. Your banner is ready. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please check my other videos on what are the things we can do using Canva, like creating an Instagram post or Facebook post or YouTube thumbnail, right? The video links are given in the description for your reference. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon if you want to get notification whenever I release my next video. Please let me know any topic you would like me to make a video and share with you guys. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.